Ecosystem. Introduction. Ecosystem is a functional unit in ecology. It comprises of biotic and abiotic environmental in a fashion in which each influences other in order to maintain the life process of the whole or unit. In 1935, Arthur George Transley first used the term ecosystem. Components of an ecosystem. Ecosystems have two primary components: A, abiotic, non-living components, B, biotic, living components. Abiotic components. These are the non-living elements like air, water, soil, sunlight, and minerals that affect the ecosystem. Biotic components. These include all living organisms such as plants, animals, microorganisms, and fungi. Decomposers, also called saprotrophs. These are mostly bacteria and fungi that feed on dead, decomposed, and the dead organic matter of plants and animals by secreting enzymes outside their body on the decaying matter. They play a very important role in recycling of nutrients. They are also called detrivores or detritus feeders. Ecosystems are complex dynamic systems. Function of an ecosystem. Ecosystems perform several key functions: energy flow, nutrient cycling, habitat provision. Energy flow, the movement of energy from one organism to another, mainly through the food chain. Nutrient cycling and habitat provision. Nutrient cycling, recycling of nutrients like carbon, nitrogen, and water to maintain balance. Habitat provision, providing shelter and living space for organisms. Types of ecosystem. Ecosystems can be classified into two broad categories: terrestrial ecosystems, found on land like forests, deserts, and grasslands. Aquatic ecosystems, found in water, such as oceans, lakes, rivers, and wetlands. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. See you in the next video.